Hello and welcome back to Logarithms Part 2 of Calero Academy. As yesterday, in Part 1, I was told you at the end of the lesson that I would show you how to prove the change of base formula and the multiplication logarithm properties. But before we can prove the change of base formula, we're going to have to prove the multiplication logarithm property because these are incorporated in the steps of proving the change of base formula. So now I will start to prove for you the multiplication formula. So first, as in the other proofs, let log A is equal to x. Therefore the 10 to the power of x is equal to a. So that's a bit messy there. And so since 10 to the power of x is equal to a, our a to the power of b is equal to 10 to the power of x to the power of b. Well, using our exponent rules, we know that the a to the power of b is equal just to 10 to the power of xb or bx. And so after that, we're just going to take the logs. Log a to the power of b is equal to log 10 to the power of bx. And so since logarithms are inverses of exponents, then these cancel out and we have log of a to the power of b is equal to bx. Well, what was x? Well, x was log a. So then we just proved that log a to the power of b is equal to b times log to the power of log of a, as which we wanted to show up here. Roughly like the same, eh? And so now that we've proved that, we're going to start proving the change of base formula. Now this is a very common formula used for logarithms inside textbooks, but they don't show you how to prove this. So now we're going to show how to prove it. So given our example, log 3 of 8, how can we solve log base 3 of 8? How do you solve that? What's that? Well, to solve that, we're just going to use the change of base formula, and we're going to prove that log base 3 of 8 is equal to log base 10 of 8 on log base 10 of 3. Sounds easy, eh? And so now what we're gonna prove it on is let our log 3. Wait, no. Actually, we're going to prove a relevant statement. So our relevant statement, let log base 3 of 8 is equal to x. Well, then 3 to the power of x is equal to 8. Now, with our 3 to the power of x is equal to 8, what we're going to do here, we're just going to let that, since we noticed that our x is equal to, we're just going to take the logs of both sides, and we get log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 8. Now, using the rule up there, which said that the multiplication logarithm property, we're going to notice that we just take the x, convert it here, and so we get x times log 3 is equal to log 8. Now, we're just going to divide the logs, so we're just going to divide log 3 from both sides, and we get x is equal to log 8 on log 3. It's a pretty simple formula, we just proved it, that can be used in many ways. See, instead of having to prove, well, some of you might think it's easier by saying that 3 to the power of x is equal to 8 and solving from there. Some of you might want to, for users of calculators, since calculators cannot operate in any bases, they operate in the base 10. So we've made this easier for your calculator. Instead of you having to solve 3 to the power of x in your head, equals 8. We could use your calculator by saying log base 10 of 8. Let's calculate that. And then divide it by log 10 base 10 of 3. Well, thank you for watching, and hopefully watching both parts, part 2 and part 1. And part 1 was done yesterday. So thank you for watching this Calero Academy video, and stay tuned for more, all you subscribers. Thank you.